Number 5. DeLonghi Eletta Explore. When it comes to getting your caffeine fix effortlessly, the DeLonghi Eletta Explore takes the crown. This super automatic espresso machine does everything from grinding beans to frothing milk, all with a single button push. Versatility is its middle name. With the Eletta Explore, you can whip up more than 40 different beverages, including macchiatos and iced coffees, all thanks to its superb design. What's particularly noteworthy is the built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings. This lets you use any beans you fancy, ensuring your coffee is as fresh as it gets. During my extensive testing, this grinder consistently ground the beans to perfection for every type of brew. Comparing it to similar models like those from Philips or Jura, the ease of use is unmatched. The touchscreen is a 3.5 color display that's both intuitive and bright. Setting up the milk frother or adjusting the grinder is a breeze. Even my tech-averse mother could navigate it effortlessly. In terms of cold beverages, DeLonghi's proprietary cold extraction technology impressed me the most. You can enjoy a cold brew in under 3 minutes. Talk about convenience. What I love the most is the product's sheer simplicity. A couple of touches on a vibrant screen and you're good to go. No barista skills required. However, it does come with a small drawback. Fully automating the brewing process can slightly diminish the flavor's nuance. Yet, the convenience and variety of drinks more than make up for this slight compromise. In the world of super automatic machines, the Eletta Explore stands unbeatable. Check it out if you want endless coffee possibilities with minimal effort.